Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. So, in this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question for you from the topic of exponential function. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f of x is a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statements is true? X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so x values are increasing. The y values are 100, 200, 400, 800, 1600. They are also increasing. If they are both increasing, this must be a growth function. So this is not a decay function. I can go ahead and eliminate the choice A and C. Now we are between either choice B or D. In that case, the only difference is the B value. If you will just pay attention, B is in the choice B says B is greater than 1. In the choice B it says between 0 and 1. So let's determine. In this case, actually, you can guess the answer by just looking at the data, but I'd like to show you the algebraic solution. So f0 is a times b to the power of 0 is 100, which is this value. So that means a times 1 is 100. So therefore a is 100. For the b, I'm going to use the second data, f1. 100 times b to the power of 1 is 200. This shows you that if you divide both sides by 100, b is 2. Since it's a growth, actually, you would say that the b must be greater than 1, but I just wanted to show you the algebraic solution. So therefore, the correct answer is choice B for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.